Looking for the best photo editor in 2026? Should you choose the completely free GIMP, the industry standard Adobe Photoshop, or the one-time purchase Affinity Photo? Each one has its strength, but the best choice depends on your budget, experience, and what you actually need. In this video, we will compare them in the categories that matter most and help you decide which one is right for you. Introduction. All three programs are powerful image editors, but they are built for different audiences. GIMP is free and open source. Photoshop is Adobe's professional editing software used across creative industries. Affinity Photo is a premium alternative that offers professional features without a subscription. Let's compare them. Pricing. Let's start with the cost. GIMP completely free, no subscriptions, available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. Photoshop requires a monthly or yearly Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, includes regular updates and cloud services, can become expensive over time. Affinity Photo, one time purchase, no recurring subscription, includes free updates within the current major version. Winner, best free option, GIMP. Best long term value, Affinity Photo. Best if you already use Adobe Creative Cloud, Photoshop. User interface and ease of use. GIMP has improved over the years, but its interface still feels less polished than its competitors. Some tools are arranged differently from what many users expect, and beginners may need some time to get comfortable. Photoshop offers one of the most polished interfaces available. Everything is organized, customizable, and supported by thousands of tutorials. Affinity Photo. Affinity Photo has a clean, modern interface that's similar to Photoshop. If you have used Adobe software before, switching is relatively easy. Winner, Photoshop. Close second, Affinity Photo. Editing features. All three support essential editing tools, including layers, masks, selection tools, brushes, filters, text, raw image editing. But there are differences. Photoshop offers the largest feature set, including advanced object selection, smart objects, content aware fill, AI powered generative fill, neural filters, advanced retouching, professional color grading. Affinity Photo includes many professional features such as frequency separation, HDR merging, panorama stitching, focus stacking, advanced masking, live filtered layers, excellent raw processing. It lacks Adobe's AI features, but covers nearly everything photographers need. GIMP. GIMP handles most everyday editing tasks well, including photo retouching, layer editing, color correction, basic graphic design. However, some advanced professional workflows require plugins or manual work. Winner, Photoshop for overall power, Affinity Photo for professional editing without subscriptions. AI features. AI has become one of the biggest differences in 2026. Photoshop. Adobe leads this category with features like generative fill, generative expand, remove tool, AI object selection, AI sky replacement, AI background removal. These tools save hours of editing. Affinity Photo. Affinity focuses more on traditional editing. It includes only limited AI assisted tools compared to Photoshop. GIMP. GIMP has no built in advanced AI features, although some community plugins add limited AI functionality. Winner, Photoshop. Performance. GIMP runs well on older computers and has relatively modest system requirements. Photoshop. Photoshop performs well on modern hardware but benefits from more RAM and a dedicated GPU, especially when using AI features. Affinity Photo. Known for excellent speed and optimization, it handles large files smoothly and often feels faster than Photoshop during traditional editing tasks. Winner, Affinity Photo. GIMP is excellent for lower end PCs. File compatibility. Photoshop supports virtually every major image format, including PSD, RAW files, TIFF, PNG, JPEG, and more. Affinity Photo supports PSD files surprisingly well, along with many professional formats. GIMP supports common formats and can open PSD files, although some complex Photoshop projects may not import perfectly. Winner, Photoshop. Who should use each? Choose GIMP if you want a completely free editor, if you are a student or hobbyist, if you have an older computer, if you only need standard editing tools. Choose Photoshop if you are a professional designer or photographer, if you want the best AI editing tools, if you work with clients using Adobe software, and if you need maximum compatibility. Choose Affinity Photo if you want professional features without paying every month, if you are a freelancer or content creator, if you do not need Adobe's AI tools, if you want excellent performance at a lower cost. Final verdict. So, which photo editor is best in 2026? If money isn't an issue and you want the most powerful editor with cutting edge AI features, Adobe Photoshop remains the overall winner. If you want professional editing without a subscription, Affinity Photo offers the best value and is the strongest Photoshop alternative. And if your budget is zero, GIMP is still the best free photo editor available, offering impressive capabilities despite a steeper learning curve. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your workflow, budget, and editing needs. If this comparison helped you decide, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more software reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.